Do you mind if I just punch the gas just a little bit? Hey guys, welcome back to the Autohound, and today we are getting into the Lotus Emira. Not driven one of these ones before. Has the push button start. I love this little feature right here. I'm here with Charlie. He's our pro driver. How you doing, Charlie? Good. Excellent. You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No, no, you're fine.
All right. I could always edit that out. So I assume just pull it into gear and
yeah,
go.
then when we're down. Yep, perfect. Now we're in first gear.
All right. And here we go. I'm being very gentle. Obviously, it's not my car. I love the color. I like how the haunches come up on the wheels. And this doesn't feel like a typical Lotus where you're centered this way in the car. This is very straightforward, which I like.
Magma red is the color on this car.
Magma red. It's a great color, Carl. I like the color. I like the sound of the word. I love the steering wheel, the flat bottom. Which way are we going to take a left?
We're going to make a right.
Make a right. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'll avoid the curbs.
I think we're not so many steep driveways here. So it's nice, yeah.
And you got the...
We're going to make this right here. We're going to go on the highway.
Okay. This is really nice. It's more roomy than I thought it would be. Like, guys, if you're in this car, you think, I'm a bigger guy. And, I'm 5'8", 250, 260. And I just feel comfortable in the car. It's not like compressing me like a lot of these small sports cars do. I know the Lamborghini Gallardo does that, and I hate that. And it has paddle shifters left and right. A little turbocharged right here?
That is a little turbocharged. So it's the Mercedes M139.
Wow.
2-liter, 4-cylinder.
Okay, so a really, really well-sorted engine.
Correct, yeah.
Because Mercedes has been running this for how long now? Like years.
Yes, quite a while.
And so they certainly, they got it right, and Lotus certainly is doing it right with this. Let's see how it accelerates. I'll be nice, I promise.
So we're going to go ahead and take this first exit
No.
to Indian Field Road.
Okay.
I know.
No. All right, guys, I failed the first test drive. That's a joke. Not. Oh, goodness. Sorry, I'm just blithering on like an idiot
No,
here.
you're fine.
All right. So, initial impressions. Very nice. Do you mind if I just punch the gas just a little bit? Wow.
If you did want to go to the drive modes, it's just going to be this little tab right here.
Okay.
Go and sort through them.
Okay.
And you'll notice the screen will change either here and here as well. Yeah. So we're in some touring now. We can go down the track. There's also sport.
It is track mode, folks. Oh man, it just tightened up. Like I felt everything just go from comfortable mode to like super like tight and oh my goodness gracious. Left or right, sir?
We're gonna go right.
Okay. That's really amazing. I can't believe it just switched that fast. And so what do? Just pull down on it now?
Correct. Or you can push up on it as well.
Oh wow, that's a huge difference. So you get to do this all day long.
I know, not a bad way to live, right?
Tough way to live. We're taking it right up here and taking it
yes, right here. Perfect. I know, and it's not raining today. The sun came out.
Yeah.
Can't complain.
Can't beat this. A nice little twisty turny here, folks. Let's just see. There's no roll to this car at all. That is incredible. Absolutely phenomenal. You get to drive these all day.
I know.
Oh, that's got to be terrible. I feel bad for you. I really do.
Only thing that would make it better is if we had the 6-speed manual here.
Oh,
this DCT is fantastic too.
Yeah. No, I agree with you, but certainly the 6-speed would just be outrageous. Because then you could really hover into the gears and unbelievable. So how long you been working for Lotus?
So I'm actually a contractor, so I do multiple events for different manufacturers.
Nice.
Today it's Lotus.
Awesome.
Tomorrow it could be McLaren.
Excellent.
It changes all the time.
And do you race cars as well?
I do. I was racing at Willow Springs before they closed it down.
Wow.
I know. Yeah. Kind of curious to see who's gonna pick it up.
I hope somebody gets it that deserves it, and they don't just rip it up for condos.
I know, which is very likely.
Especially where it's located.
Yeah.
All right, folks, we have an SUV in front of us with a bike, so we have to be very careful. I don't understand the whole let's get rid of a racetrack. But money's money, I guess.
The popular thing to do now is make it a club and do the condos trackside, like you see in Thermal.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know, they may do something like that. Straight Lotus, yes.
And guys, you could just take a look here.
Just gonna make it straight.
Take a right.
Yes, please.
And it's just, the steering wheel is so small, but it's perfectly sized, if that makes sense. Like it's just this kind of easily drivable car, and you don't have to swing hard left and hard right. Like in my Porsche, the steering wheel is out here. This is really narrow. I can see this on a track just eating up everything. Wow. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Charlie, I can't thank you enough for letting me take this thing for a ride. Alright guys, so this is the Emira. Really, really neat little car. I love this thing. Unbelievable. Alright guys, if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.